Okay, let's unbox and try out this mobile phone video amplifier and large screen magnifier. So it's like a portable home cinema. Okay, it looks fairly easy. The instructions, only 4 little steps with pictures. Love that. Love it when they make it easy for you. All right, so you open it up and pull this out. It's just, that's all that's in there. Okay, take the little pocket off here. Has a user's guide. Again, same instructions, just 4 little steps. So let's see here. Since it's 4 steps, I'm just gonna do it with y'all and see how it goes. All right. So, okay. So you put it here where the little feet are on the bottom, and you pull open this part and push it up. Oh, it's like a legit magnifier. Then you pop this up here and you're ready. And then you can, there's little legs on the bottom you can pop out. So let's see here. Let's put something on the screen so we can check it out. So you just set your phone in here and it magnifies it for you. That's pretty cool. And so you'll set it on a table so it wouldn't be falling or anything. But, so say you turn on a movie or something, you can set it down. And I mean, look, it totally works. So it's reflecting my big bright ring light behind us right now. But if that weren't on, that obviously wouldn't be reflecting off of here, and we could see the big screen. So very cool. It definitely legit works. Show my Candy Crush. That's really cool. I'm actually pretty excited about this one. It'd be really easy to, like, it's so compact too, like it folds all up, so you could easily like take this with you if you're going on a trip and you want to like use it in the plane or something. Oh, you know what? Or my husband and I, we recently went on a trip and we are like, it was out of the country, and so we couldn't understand anything on the TV. So we just watched our phones, like the stuff we had downloaded. And it was just this tiny little screen we were holding up and watching together. It's kind of annoying. This would have been absolutely perfect for it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.